Nestled in a lush Polynesian garden, Pension Le Hibiscus Tahaa is not just a guest house, it's a slice of paradise. Since 1987, Leo and Lolita have opened their doors, offering a warm welcome and a taste of local life. Imagine waking up in one of 7 charming bungalows, each a reflection of island simplicity, complete with a small fridge and television. From your furnished terrace, the view of Haamene Bay unfolds, a serene backdrop to start your day. Your culinary journey begins with a continental breakfast at the Waterside restaurant, where the ceiling is a mosaic of flags from around the globe. For lunch and dinner, indulge in Lolita's delicious local specialties, or cook up your own feast in the communal outdoor kitchen. Adventure awaits with free kayaks and bicycles, while cars, jet skis, and excursions beckon for those seeking more thrills. And after a day of exploration, the free Wi-Fi at the restaurant lets you share your memories with the world. Pension Le Hibiscus Tahaa is a proud member of the guest houses and family hotels category, offering an authentic experience distinct from international hotels. Remember, special requests need approval, so plan ahead. Welcome to your dream vacation, where professional hospitality meets island charm. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.